What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan and welcome aboard. So for those of you who are returning, thank you again for returning. Now on this episode, I am going to show you guys how to properly time a 1zz-fe, which is a Toyota Corolla engine and is an engine that resides in many other cars. So I'm going to show you how to time them properly. The first thing you want to do, if you notice, my timing chain does not have any orange marks on it. It has black because that's an aftermarket chain. Now if you get a regular chain from Toyota, you will have orange marks on your chain link. So you'll have one orange mark here where mine is black, and you'll have another one here where mine is black, and you'll have one more down here where mine is black. So what you have to do is turn your exhaust cam to this dot right here. Once that dot is there, you line it up with your first black mark, and then what you do is turn the cam, see this dot here, you line it up with this slash mark here, and you put it on that black mark, and then you go all the way down. Make sure your key is centered to the oil pump right here where there is a little dot right there. You can see that dot. So the key has to match that dot, and on here as well, there's a little dot right there that you can see, and that goes with this black chain link. So once this is lined up, and this is lined up, and this is lined up, you're in time. All you have to do is put on your front cover, which is here, take your tensioner, which is here, install it, and rotate the engine a little bit so it clicks into place and tightens up the guide rails. And that's how you time your engine. Now also, for a quick sneak peek, your cams, your first lobes are going to look like this. They're going to face each other. The exhaust lobe is going to go this way, and the intake lobe is going to go this way. And they're going to kind of face each other. So just get a good look at that. And guys, that is how you time a engine that is how you time the 1zz-fe engine that resides in this Toyota Corolla and many other Toyotas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick but informative video. And if you did, please hit that like button. And any questions that you have, please make sure that you hit and destroy that like button, and also subscribe.